SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to like a text on iPhone 15. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Many apps and social media services give you ways to let other people know that you've enjoyed something that you've read. One of the options is often something called a like, which can be indicated by a thumbs up. You can also choose to like messages on your iPhone by opening the Messages app. You can then find the conversation with the message that you want to like and then select it, and then you just need to find the specific message that you want to like. Once you found it, you can tap and hold on that message, and then you're going to see a list of different reactions in the top bar at the top of this menu. If you want to like the message, simply tap the thumbs up icon, which is going to apply that thumbs up icon to that message, allowing the other person in the conversation to see that you've liked their message. If you want to remove a liked message, then you can simply tap and hold on that message again, and then find the like, and then tap it to remove that like.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.